In this video, I will show you how to change accounts in Farlight 84 for PC users. Once your Steam account is linked to Farlight 84, there is no option to switch accounts. The only way to use another account is by creating a new Steam account and launching the game from there. For mobile users, open Farlight 84 on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Account. Here, you will see the options to link different accounts including Google, Facebook, Apple ID for iOS users, TikTok, and Steam if not already linked. Sign into the respective account you want to switch to. Now, tap on your currently logged in account. A pop-up will appear allowing you to select the platform you want to switch to. Once you switch to accounts, all your content, skins and characters from that account will be available. And that's it. Now you know how to change accounts in Farlight 84. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.